and welcome to One Universe Tarot. This is one universe and every single person is equal to one another. It gives me great joy to have all of you over here. I love you so much. Okay, now first let me make two announcements. Okay, listen. One thing, it is a full moon tomorrow, great energy. So if you want a personal reading, everything is there in the description box. You can learn law of attraction, manifestation, how to get your boyfriend, girlfriend, how to get married, why money is not coming. All of these things can be learned. I have my institute here going great. We wake up by 3 o'clock in the morning and do so many things. You want to learn, come here. Now another thing is that I am going to start with live reading very soon. So keep following me. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, go to the subscription button, press that and press that bell also so that you know that I am uploading the video. You don't want to miss it. I'm telling you, trust me. Okay, very good I am in tarot reading and astrology. So definitely you will get your reading in a perfect way. So it's going to be 10-minute reading. In that itself, I will cover so much. So imagine in a private reading, I will give 40 minutes. So you will get so many question answer. Okay, great it is. Now let us get started. And remember, I am a very raw reader. If you are very sentimental, that's beautiful. I love you. I like emotional people. I am also very emotional. But I will tell you everything immediately the way it is. No coloring that. No making it squishy or surrounding it with nice objects to make it look palatable. Not at all. Okay, it's going to be raw. That is what it is. Let us start. Okay, now this reading, what do I tell you? Oh my God, this is one high voltage reading. This is like, somebody touches this reading, they will get shocked. Like that it is. I think I'm picking up your person's energy. That is what I feel. Cancer, what are you dealing with, Cancer? And also I'm feeling your energy also. Your energy is a very loving energy, caring energy, scared energy. When you get intimidated, you run and go inside your shell. No, that is why they gave you shell for you. Like tortoise, you'll go inside and you'll sit. As if you go inside, everything will become okay. But that is like the human psychology, no? If you are made to walk on the glass bridge, if it is made out of cement, you will walk. But if it is see-through transparent glass, you will not walk. Same thing in different material. But your mindset will not allow you to walk across because you are scared. Correct? So, now what is happening is your person, you gave love, they ran away. They walked away. And they are putting high boundary. They are sitting, they put, I don't know, like that wall, no? China wall. Like the Berlin wall. A high and very guarded wall. You cannot go, there is barbed wire, everything around. They are keeping themselves so very much out of reach from you. They don't want to be available. And sitting over there, they are thinking about how they burnt the bridge between you and them. The hanged man is there. They're taking their time. Now they're thinking what happened, what did not happen, what did I do, what did he do, what did she do, why did it all come to this place. The burning tower, can you see that? Everything got burnt and we fell down. The breakup is already over and I am the one who is calling the shots right now. I'm not letting this other person come and reach me anymore. That is the energy of your person. Okay, if you are cross-watcher, this is you only. Why you're doing that? What you're going to do sitting on top like so long and all that? Why don't you be free? Why you're torturing yourself and torturing the other person? Be free, talk it out. That is when you will understand what is what. But that is my advice. But the other advice is like, if you're really hurt because of this relationship and you don't want to get hurt again, and if whoever caused the hurt and the reason is because of the baggage and because of feeling bad and because of crying nights, insomnia, all of that, because of that, if you are walking away, then it is okay. You really need some time, no? You need time to become okay. So you can go away and you can think about becoming better. So that is what you are doing, I think. Okay? Or your person is doing. Now on the second row, if you see, you have the Knight of Pentacles, you have the Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, the Devil and the Ten of Swords. Do you see that? So this person could very much be an earth sign that you're dealing with, Cancer. okay, or they can have cancer in their chart. They can have cancer in their chart, or you are a Cancer. No, that is why this is coming. You are dealing with Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. 99.99% you are dealing with a Capricorn. Okay, very clearly with the Devil card. Now if you see, you have two knights here, Knight of Pentacle and Knight of Cup. It can be two different people, and that is dealing with the Devil right now, that is dealing with them, and they are thinking, I think, what to do about a situation that caused a lot of heartbreak. Lot of heartbreak. Okay, this is the 10 of Swords, being backstabbed, absolutely left bleeding to death. That is how it felt, but nobody died here. Understood? Nobody died here. They didn't die, you didn't die. You are not going to die, they are also not going to die. Okay? But the thing is that feeling like that, no? Feeling is too much. Generally, looking at some movie, some actor will be acting and you start crying. It's very normal. A lot of people do that. So it is not real, but you are still crying, right? That is the beauty and the worst thing about feeling. It's not real, but still it will invoke the feeling. Correct? So it is something like that. It's not something very... what do I tell you? You don't have to actually deal with this and make it such a sad story. You can change it. Come and learn from me, I'm telling you. So look at the description box. I will change everything for you. Okay, everything, whole narrative will change. But it is a choice. And right now, both you or them, both of you not in the right place. You both don't know anything about manifestation, anything about how to deal with life. Both are torturing yourself in different way. They are torturing themselves in one way. You are more innovative. You are doing it in a different way. So basically both of you leading life which is very undervalued, which is wrong. Okay. Anyway, now I will let me clarify a little more, na? Okay, everything is making complete sense. First card I obviously clarified the Devil. Okay, they are stuck. I think you directly went and told I want to marry you, and that was like, huh? What? And they ran away because I think they're generally in a very bad place. Very, very bad place. No money, no career, no proper family. They ran away and they decided to close the door and be secretive. They know they have lots of secrets and they are not in the right place, to get married and all. Because highly toxic individual. Can you see that? Sadly, they are not able to do anything with their own toxicity. I'm telling you, so toxic. I think drinking, taking drugs, and going being with multiple people and all, doing all the nonsense. So no control. Basically, just going and doing whatever they want. And obviously, when you have that kind of a hedonistic lifestyle, you're not going to have any happiness because that is exactly what will miss from the life. That will be missing from the life. So because a lot of players are also there. Okay, I'm not saying no player is happy. There are happy players, girls, boys. They will be with multiple people, but they have different things, a different agenda, because of which they are pretty much happy. They may be single forever and they may be happy also, but not this person. This person is not the person who's supposed to be doing all this. It's not fitting them. They want this also, they want that also. They're not getting both of them and being stuck. Understand? So and I clarified the next card. I clarified the 10 of Swords. The 10 of Swords was clarified by the Cheater card. Look at that, the Devil and the 7 of Swords are very clearly talking about them. Cheating. They've always cheated in their life and all, so many times. It is very difficult. It's almost an addictive behavior. They are addicted to cheating and they don't know how to get it out from their system. Okay, it is very difficult for them. And next card I clarified was the Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is the Page of Rods. So somebody has sent somebody a message or a phone call or a mail or something has definitely gone from one person to the other, and this person is thinking about that. Lot of love, okay, from your side. I think it is your energy that has given so much of love, exhibited all the love, all the compassion, everything and all you exhibited. But what to do? They are not deciding anything about it right now. They are not in a place to decide. You are in a place to give love. Are they in a place to accept love? Are they even worthy of that love right now? They know very clearly they are all over the place like one beggar or garbage bin. And they are like, dude, I am a garbage bin. Why is this person coming? That is what they are thinking. Understood? So that is what is happening. They know about themselves and they are not feeling great about them. They are not proud of what they are doing, and that is exactly why this is happening. And also they really find you very attractive. Okay, very, very, very attractive. That is how they are finding you. The Knight of Pentacles I clarified with the Queen of Rods. I also see there is quite a bit of success in your life. Are you successful? That is also something they are seeing. But right now what they are doing, they are working on themselves. Look at the bottom of the deck. You have the Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles energy is what? Working on themselves. So let them work.